The 2025 Audi E-Tron, specifically the Q6 e-tron, is a compact, all-electric SUV that offers a blend of luxury, technology, and performance. It features a new EV platform enhancing range, performance, and charging capabilities. The Q6 e-tron is available with a rear-wheel drive version boasting 322 HP and an all-wheel drive version, Quattro, offering 456 HP DC fast charging capability with a max charging rate of 270 kilowatts. EPA estimates for the single-motor version are 321 miles, while the dual-motor Quattro is rated at 307 miles. If you love this video, hit subscribe, like and share.